Hey guys, welcome back to another video with me. So today at the Bonfire night, and it was just 10 to 5 and we are leaving around about 6:30. So yeah, I'm at my grand's house and I will be uploading in around about 2 weeks, 3, maybe 4, don't know. So yeah, what was I going to say again? So yeah, I might be uploading into 3 or 4 weeks, and that when I get my gaming channel, I will upload daily on my PlayStation, and I'll play games like GTA, FIFA, FIFA, Minecraft, barely, and maybe Destiny 2. I'm trying to remember. WWE and other stuff. And sometimes I will be playing with my friends. So yeah, if you subscribe, you will join Team Morrison. Yeah. So yeah. If why am I keep on doing this? I don't feel well. So yeah. Bonfire night. Bonfire. That will be setting up at £8 a fireworks. No, they literally cost £8, and then £20 I think for the diamond. Here's some. Gran, a year ago today. Gran, a year ago today.
Is that when that was taken? I right enough, right, because I had a...
Relax. There's a movie for everyone. To start your 14-day free trial of over 1,000 movies with no contract.
So yeah.
Search Now TV.
Yes, Bonfire night. In the comment section, if you watch me, please, and you will need to turn on notifications if you're part of Modern. So if you watch me, please.
I'm here to test your hearing today. Do other people notice that you don't hear them as well?
The grandkids came
Please.
and said, "Granddad, this TV's really loud." That was very loud.
You are definitely going to benefit from wearing a hearing aid.
Boots. Let's feel good.
So yeah.
And now, spread the cost with interest-free monthly payments.
Tell me what you did for Bonfire night in the description, because I've got 4 subscribers. One away from 5 subscribers. Whoa, oh, 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 celebrate good task. So yeah. So guys, I'm just gonna end the quick video here. I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.